exposing the strength in certainty. Am I the only one who didn't know how powerful a little assurance could be? In an ever-changing world, certainty is our anchor. Like knowing the sun will rise, certainty in our decisions, big or small, fuels our confidence and propels us forward. Imagine going through your day, certain about your choices. Feels empowering, doesn't it? It is certain that more changes are in the offing, but with every sure step we take, we build a path of definite success. This isn't just about big life changes, but also the small daily decisions. Choosing certainty helps us face the unknown with a bold heart and a clear mind. So next time you're feeling unsure, find your certainty. It could be a sure thought, a definite plan, or an unquestionable belief in yourself. Grab it, hold it tight. It's your secret weapon in navigating the tides of change. Why do 93% of people feel a deep respect when they hear the word veteran? Because behind this term lies a saga of sacrifice and unwavering duty. Veterans, a term that resonates far beyond the echoes of battlefields. These seasoned warriors, our old-timers, have not only defended borders but have shaped the very essence of courage and commitment in our societies. Each veteran carries a story, written through years of service, often marked by unseen scars and untold tales. Their journey doesn't end with their uniform. It continues as they return, enriching our communities with their discipline and resilience. As we reflect on their myriad contributions, let's remember, it's not just the wars they fought, but the peace they nurtured. Today, let's pledge to honor their sacrifices, not just with words, but with actions that uphold the values they fought for. Thank you, veterans, for your service and your immense contributions to our world. What's something people don't know about political factions? Get ready, because this is going to peel back the curtain on political battles. Imagine a game of chess, but instead of pieces, we have politicians. Each move, calculated. Each strategy, steeped in ambition. In the world of politics, factions are like rival teams within the same club, each wielding their own agendas and ideologies. Dissension isn't just a buzzword here, it's the daily bread. Picture this. While one group pushes for reform, another pulls for tradition, turning the parliament into a tug-of-war arena. And guess what? This infighting isn't just about power. It's about shaping the very laws and policies that govern our lives. So next time you hear about a policy debate, remember, it's not just a discussion. It's a battleground where factions collide, each fighting not just to win, but to define the future. Tune in, stay informed, and watch the drama unfold. Is your latest project actually doable, or just a dream? Let's unpack feasibility and find out. Imagine you have an idea to create a device that makes homework vanish. Sounds cool, right? But is it feasible or practicable? Feasibility is all about whether an idea is viable or practical in the real world. Think of it this way. Adding wings to a car might seem fun, but it's not practical due to weight and design constraints. That's impracticality. On the flip side, screening athletes for cardiac diseases, now that's a feasible idea. It's practical, saves lives, and can be implemented with current medical technologies. Here's a tip to judge feasibility. Ask yourself, is it doable? Is it affordable? Will it function as needed in the environment it's designed for? If you're shaking your head no, you might be dealing with an impractical idea. Whether it's a school project or a startup plan, weighing the feasibility can save you time and resources. So next time you have a light bulb moment, run it through the feasibility test. I'm sure you've heard the news. In our bustling world, it's easy to overlook the simple acts that make a big difference. But what if we paused just for a moment to truly connect with those around us? Compassion isn't just a feeling, it's a superpower. It bridges differences and heals wounds. It's not about grand gestures, it's in the everyday moments. Think about it. A smile to a stranger, a listening ear to a friend, or a comforting word to someone in need. These acts cost nothing but are priceless to those who receive them. Compassion also benefits us, boosting our own happiness and reducing stress. It's a beautiful two-way street. So let's challenge ourselves. Let's extend a hand, share a moment, and show compassion, not just today, but every day. Because when we give compassion, we are also receiving it. Let's unlock this power together. Will you join in this movement of kindness?